Hey, welcome back to my channel, Danielle's Creative Art. Today I have an unboxing of my Pipsticks Pro Pack for September, and I cannot wait to see these stickers. I'm really excited. And so, here we go. And when they come, they definitely make my day happier. So, love it already. So, it comes with a Pippi magazine. So, look inside the magazine. They have like sneak peeks of the next pack, and they also have like the insight of the designing of the stickers. Sorry. And let's see. It's like that's what I was talking about, like the insight of the next pack. And they have a Halloween countdown calendar, which looks cool. And then some pictures on the back of the team. Let's get into the fun part, the stickers. I love the shiny envelopes that they come in. They're so cool. Okay. First, oh, those are so cool. We have celestial vibes with moons and like eyes. Those are really cool. Those are neat. Those look like moths. Ooh, I love borders. Those are cool. So we have some spider webs and some more celestial stuff. That's so cool. Ooh, some witches and crystals. Love crystals. Put that off to the side. And then we have, ooh, I love those little mini moons. Those are cool. And some stars. Oh, cool. It's like a coffin and you can decorate it. That's neat. Spiders and skulls. Ooh. This is the vinyl. Good things are coming. It's like a fortune teller thing. I forgot what it's called. Oh, love that. That's really cool. Witch's hat, cauldron, crystal ball. That's what it's called. Crystal ball. I forgot. Sorry. These are tarot cards. Those are cool. And then next we have, oh, these are adorable. It's these mugs, witch's brew. And it says pumpkin everything. Yes, I love pumpkin. Pumpkin spice and everything nice, I guess. And, oh, those are really neat. We have Frankenstein and looks like a shark, popcorn, like I guess scary movie night. That's neat. And this has to be my all-time favorite sticker sheet out of this whole entire pack. These crystals. This is called Multifaceted. I love crystals so much. As you can tell by my bracelets. Love crystals. These are so cool. Love the sparkle in that. And then, ooh, love the gold shimmer on these stickers. There's like potions. Those are really neat. Oh, these are cute. So we have little ghosts and stamps, and looks like they're getting the mail and delivering the mail. That's adorable. And then we have some sticker letters. I love sticker letters, especially if they have gold foil. Those are really neat. And those are called Midnight Moon Alphabet. Love it. And then it always comes with a postcard. Snail mail is magical. Again, with that gold foil. That is really cool. So definitely check this out. These stickers will be available at the end of the month if you're not able to get this pack. And definitely subscribe. All their packs are amazing. And in the next video will be an unboxing or unpackaging of the Kids Classic pack, because I'm subscribed to both and I could not resist. They're both really, really fun packs. So see you in my next video. Bye.